So we just got Betty's first oil change at Valvoline here in Mesa. We brought our own oil because they don't have the Restore and Protect yet. So I went to Walmart last night where it was only $29 and I got the very last two. The very last two of these. Of course, they used one. And now I have enough to do the other car, the Hyundai. So we're at 193,000 miles, something like that. 193,089. So yes, my dashboard is filthy. Should be fun to see how this works. I had them give me the old oil filter too, which is cool. So thanks, Valvoline.